How to get new backup codes on Instagram. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to copy a new backup codes from your Instagram app. After you open up your Instagram like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, now all you have to do now, go ahead and open up this menu at the top right side. Tap on this menu. After you tap on this menu, now go to this account center. After you open account center, now go to this password and security. After you open password and security, now tap on this two-factor authentication. So tap on this, so select now your Instagram account. After you select your Instagram account, as you can see now, before you see or before you get a new backup codes on your Instagram, you must turn on your two-factor authentication. As you can see now, I turn on my two-factor authentication. So tap on this additional method. So in this section, tap on this backup codes. So after you tap on this backup code, tap on this get new code. Now it will generate new code for you. As you can see, tap on this get new code. Now Instagram will generate new code for you. That's it guys on how to get new codes on Instagram. That's it guys on how to get new backup codes from Instagram. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.